Hi guys, Chris Baxendale here at Phillips Chevrolet here in Frankfort. We're sitting inside of one of these brand new 2025 Equinoxes, all new, completely redesigned for 25. Beautiful cars, but one of the things I wanted to go over with you, a lot of these are coming standard now with your rear camera mirror, which is pretty cool. So this is just your standard mirror when in regular mode, but you flip this little button back here and it turns into an actual camera. So let's say you got your hatch filled up or something like that and you can't see out your back. There's a few different things you can do. You can adjust the brightness here. You can adjust the zoom of the mirror itself, and then you can adjust the tilt of it. So where it's sitting, and it'll show you up here where it's tilted at. So that'll put you kind of right in the middle, right there. But yeah, and that's the brightness. It'll show you there, and that's your zoom. So. But yeah, really cool. It makes it nice and convenient when your back hatch is filled up with suitcases or whatever and you can't see out your back window. And then to go back to normal regular mode, you just flip this back forward and adjust it as you need to. So just wanted to go over that with you. Give us a shout. Come in and check these new Equinoxes out, and have a great weekend.